Kilpatrick's lawyers said his corruption trial was like a circus. Well, this week, the circus finally came to town. At times, it felt like this trial might never start. Jury selection was supposed to take a week. It took 2. On a few occasions, it was interrupted by fiery tempers, like when a defense lawyer swore under his breath after the judge cut him off.
Did you apologize to her at all, sir?
You didn't hear what I said.
Cooler heads prevailed, and by Wednesday, we had a jury. 3 men, 9 women, half minorities. But then, Kwame Kilpatrick flipped the script. He wanted the trial moved to Ohio or Tennessee.
We can't get a fair trial here in Detroit. It's clear as day.
But Judge Edmonds made sure it stayed right here, bringing us to opening statements. For the prosecution, a highly orchestrated presentation, complete with text messages, wiretaps, even undercover video. The U.S. attorney focused on 3 text messages between Kwame Kilpatrick and Bobby Ferguson, messages that'll become the theme of their case. Let's get us some money. No deal without me. It's my time to get paid. The government said Bobby Ferguson strong-armed companies to bring him in on city contracts, and Water Chief Victor Mercado greased the skids to make sure Ferguson cleaned up. As for Kilpatrick's father, Bernard, lawyers said he threatened to kill deals he wasn't paid for. Prosecutors played a wiretap where Bernard said if he didn't get his money, he'd tell the man to kill the deal. The feds say the man was his son. The defense was much more subdued. Kilpatrick's lawyer, Jim Thomas, spoke for only 15 minutes, telling jurors that the prosecution's case was just another Kwame Kilpatrick fairy tale. Don't be fooled by text messages and wiretaps, he said. In context, they're perfectly benign. Bernard Kilpatrick's attorney insisted his client isn't a bag man, but a businessman, a paid consultant that helps companies get business. For Bobby Ferguson, lawyers said he didn't need Kwame Kilpatrick, stressing all the big contracts he got before Kilpatrick was elected mayor. And Victor Mercado's lawyer reminded everyone he's the wild card of this case. They said he was on the outside looking in, never receiving text messages from the mayor, never accepting free flights or gifts, like Kilpatrick often did. The prosecution's case will last at least a couple of months. Their biggest challenge, to keep the jurors' attention in a complicated trial. They call their first witness Monday morning, and 7 will be in the courtroom. I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.